Today we're going to be going through question 19 from the June 2017 AQA GCSE Maths Higher Paper 3, and the question's asking us to find x. If you would like to have a go at the question, please pause now before we continue. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is notice that angles BAF and FDC are subtended by the same arc, and so they are equal. They're both 24 degrees. Now, you may be struggling remembering this circle theorem that angles subtended by the same arc are equal. So one way that may help you remember this is that if you remember it will resemble a bow tie, like you can see on the screen now, it resembles a bow tie. That may help you remember this circle theorem, but basically, angles subtended by the same arc are equal. Now, the next step is to recognise that the triangle FDC is an isosceles triangle, and therefore sides DC and DF are the same length. As you are told in the question, DF equals DC, so the same length, so it's an isosceles triangle. And because it's an isosceles triangle, angles DFC and DCF will be equal. And as the total angle of a triangle is 180 degrees, you can therefore work out what these angles are by doing 180 minus 24 divided by 2, which gives you the answer of 78 degrees. And so DFC and DCF are both 78 degrees. Now for the next step, we're going to be looking at the straight line AC. Now because AC is a straight line, its total angle on the straight line is 180 degrees. And so 78 plus x plus 2x equals 180. So 78 plus 3x is 180. So if you solve for x, you get 3x equals 102 degrees, and then divide both sides by 3, you get x equals 34 degrees. And if you're interested, this is the mark scheme. So the answer is 34 degrees. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see more circle theorem related videos, please click the playlist on the end screen. Thank you for watching.